Here I have REALME Narzo 20A, and today I'm going to show you how to enable battery percentage on this device. So first of all, you will have to open settings, then you have to go to the notifications and status bar, and then to the show battery percentage on status bar. And here you can select if you want to see your battery percentage inside the battery icon or outside next to the battery icon, like this. And as you can see, now you can see our battery charge in percents next to the battery icon here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.